Welcome to 99 Bitcoins. SPX6900 had a fantastic bull run, and right now we can actually see, looking at the price of this thing, it's back down to lows that we saw with the previous crash for memes in March and April 2025. So this is probably going to be where SPX sort of has a long-term consolidation in these particular lows now, as I expect still a long time of down, disbelief, anxiety, and boredom. Now, this could potentially be a good opportunity down here. Of course, on the daily time frame, we were oversold on the 26th of February. That oversold marker provided traders with an entry of 24 cents if they were following these particular confluences in the market. But in general, you can see what would be glorious is a big W pattern to get played out here. So what I mean is a W classic bullish reversal pattern with a neckline that gets broken. And the way this would happen is if in the next bull run, we start to climb up, create the neckline, and then we retest that neckline at some point in the next run at $2, if it ever goes to $2. So that's also the thing, right? Because it went from an extortionately high market cap down to quite a low market cap. It's not very relevant now anymore. For a meme coin that had a big presence, it's pretty small. So at the moment, $1.7 billion was the all-time high. We're at 300 million. This is a rank 104 meme coin. It's lost a lot of sustenance and dominance in the market overall. It's not really capturing a big share anymore. It's down over 80%, which could also, contrarianly, be another reason to be perhaps bullish if you are waiting for a long-term effect. For me personally, I'd rather stick to coins in the meme space that are influenced by much larger figures such as Elon Musk, things like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, but that's just my, two piece on this. So yeah, SPX6900, pretty disappointing survival really. $1.80 down to 0.34. It's not the best scenes in this market. Also, I think looking at altcoins valuation here, we're just bouncing off that 200-week moving average. We need to see at least a bigger bounce here and retest the 20-day moving average, because at the moment we're still question marking if we're going to come down lower for potentially lower DCA, and that's another thing we have to also factor in. So crypto fear and greed index 22 at the moment. Extreme fear in the market as always, which is a very exciting time to be in this market. Now, Bitcoin Hyper is absolutely one that looks super cool right now. You can see this is a Bitcoin layer 2 chain. Scalability and speed for Bitcoin, it says, is finally here. 31.8 million raised, one Hyper 0.0136766. So you can buy with crypto using some different hot wallets here, some different DeFi wallets of your choice, things like MetaMask, Wallet Connect, and Best Wallet. This is an altcoin of a low market cap, which is going to be launching very soon. It's got massive Twitter presence. And for sure, this is something I'm very excited to see go live, because finally we're seeing this thing create waves. The anticipation is here. People are super bullish on this, and you can also research this and hold it by just clicking the link down below and doing some research. Of course, never risk more than you can afford to lose, and always do your own research and due diligence. But sometimes these sort of Bitcoin alternatives, they do pretty well. So I'm holding my bag and I'm waiting for hopefully a massive launch. So before you go, subscribe to 99 Bitcoins, like the video, and we'll see you very soon. Thank you for watching.